You know the best way to find berries is to go down on your hands and knees and look really closely.
Wow, Esme, you sound like you really know what you're doing. Maybe I should keep a lookout up here and you can search down there.
Okay.
Phew. I don't know what to make today.
Oh, I know. How about a machine that... Achoo! Whoa, I must be allergic to these. Oh well. Interesting.
There. Now whenever something bad is about to happen, we'll know about it beforehand.
Awesome!
Huh?
Achoo! I don't feel so good. Achoo! What could it be?
I don't know. Maybe it was something she ate? Isabella, did Esme eat Malice's mystery grapes from her garden again? No. We were just walking through the forest. Esme was sniffing everything like usual, and then she started sneezing, and everything was turning giant. Very interesting.
Who could that be? Dr. Esselam. Nice to meet you. Oh, poor Esme. You look horrible. Who exactly did you say you are again? Dr. Esselam. I make house calls throughout Kiddyzuzaa. I got a phone call from, Mr. Snuggles.
Mr. Snuggles?
Yes, that's right. Now, Esme, what seems to be the problem? I keep sneezing and making things giant. Good.
Good?
No, I mean bad. But don't worry, Dr. Eslam will cure you. All you'll need is to hold the spider up close to your nose and you'll stop sneezing.
Hey, isn't that...
Keep your eyes peeled for the gooseberry tree, Esme. It's notoriously hard to find. I think it's just around the corner. That's amazing. Well done, Esme. And here it is. Yuck! This is strange. Very strange. Right, come on, Esme. To the palace. Princesses, something bad is happening to the forest. There's slime everywhere. The fruits are all rotten and I think it's spreading.
Guys, you might want to have a look at this.
What is that thing?
It's like a giant beanstalk.
Giant beans.
Let's get a closer look.
What is that thing?
This is CCTV, Closed Circuit Television. It can fly right up to that weird plant thing and we can see what it is through this screen. Fly, my pretty, fly!
Mwahaha! This potion is working perfectly. Soon the whole forest will be doing my evil bidding. What a productive day this has been! Malice is trying to take over the forest with some sort of evil beanstalk. Huh? Oh, nice try, princesses.
It must be that green potion that she's using to water it.
I think I've read about this somewhere before. Aha! Here it is. The Fiendish Forest Potion. With this potion, the forces of nature will soon be at your command. The spell can only be reversed using the purest Zuzan water from the spring of Mount Zuzaa.
Ah!
Mr. Zuzaa!
What are you doing here?
The question is not what, but when.
Do you have any pure Zuzan water by any chance?
The question is not do you have, but when. Onions? The question is not onions, but...
There we are. Pure Zuzan water. Nice one, Esme. Now let's get to that beanstalk before it's too late.
The question is not... Oh.
Right, princesses, we need to be stealthy. Follow my lead. I was wondering when you lot would turn up. Well, you're too late, I'm afraid. The potion is in full swing, and soon the whole of this forest will be under my command. Not if we've got anything to do with it. Right, princesses? Princesses? Mwahaha! Prepare to be slimed, Olivia. Huh? Ugh. Quick, Esme, chuck me the vial. I can't.
There, fly, my pretty, fly!
Nice one, Liliana. Huh? We did it! We saved the forest.
Not quite. There, that's better.
Isabella, you missed a spot. I'll get you, princesses. And last stop in our tour of the palace, the library. Wow, I didn't know you had a library, Olivia.
It's very dusty. What kind of books does it have?
Oh, all sorts. Look, The Plumber's Guide to Chocolate Fountains, Neo-Zuzan Painters, The Big Book of Soup. But the really interesting stuff is over here. The magical history of Kiddyzuzaa land. And that concludes the tour. Right, tea time, everyone. Tea! Can we go home yet, Timothy? Are you all right? The Coralia Diamond. Widely regarded as the most powerful gemstone in all of Kiddyzuzaa land. Hang on a second. I know that diamond. I knew it. No wonder my plans are always foiled. They've got a super powerful gemstone on their side. But how will I lure the princesses away from the palace for long enough so that I can steal it? Come on, princesses. Mr. Zuzaa's waiting for us. Oh, that was easy.
Oh, that was the biggest tea I've ever had.
Oh, Mr. Zuzaa certainly knows how to make a hard-boiled egg.
And how's about those...
Oh, hello there, princesses. I just thought you'd like to know that I've taken over your palace and stolen your precious diamond. Now, if you could all just go away whilst I take over the world, that would be great.
This isn't good. What are we going to do?
Make soup? We're going to get our palace back. Oh, yeah, that's what I meant. Now, how do I get you to work? What are the secrets to your power? There must be an instruction manual for this thing.
It's sealed tight.
Esme, have you still got that boiled egg? Sure do. Wow, that really was a hard-boiled egg. Aha! The power of the Coralia diamond can only be activated by performing the ancient Zuzan diamond dance. Wait! I know a shortcut. Come on. This isn't doing anything. Alternatively, tap the diamond 3 times and say activate. Oh, for the love of Zuzaa. Hold it right there, Malice. The game's up. You're too late, princesses. The diamond is mine, and with it, I can finally take over the whole of Kiddyzuzaa land. Mwahaha! 1, 2, 3, activate! Come on, you stupid thing, activate! Activate! Olivia, that was amazing! How did you learn such a powerful spell? Instinct, I guess.
So, how come the diamond didn't work?
Oh, that's not the Coralia diamond. That's just a decoration. It's made of crystallized sugar.
Well, where's the real diamond then?
Oh, I'm afraid that's a family secret. Another snowless winter in Kiddyzuzaa land. Pah, snow's overrated. Have you ever heard of cake? Oh, Esme, you can't go sledging in cake. You can't make a snowman out of cake. And you can't have a snowball fight with cake. I beg to differ. It's just not the same. I can't bear to see Olivia upset. There must be someone who could help make it snow.
Oh, I can make it snow all right.
Who is that?
You need not know my name.
Liliana!
Oh, all right, it's me.
What are you doing lurking in the shadows?
I got locked out of my lab.
Where's your screwdriver?
I left it inside. I've been trying to short-circuit the entrance codes for hours.
Leave this to me. Oh. So, anyway, about that snow.
Leave it to me.
Snow! I can't believe it. It's actually snowing. Well, sort of. We just thought that if it wasn't going to snow for real, we could make our own. Oh, you guys, this is going to be the best winter ever. A snow machine, eh? Well, how about we give those princesses a snowball fight they'll never forget? Oh, it's a perfect winter wonderland. What could possibly go wrong? Huh? Anyone for a snowball fight? Run!
Quick, in here.
I can wait here all day, princesses. Of course Malice would have to ruin things.
What are we going to do?
Don't worry, guys. I've got this.
That's our answer to everything.
Worth a shot? Right. Anyone else?
Well, if it's a snowball fight she wants, I say, let's give her one.
Oh no! I seem to be out in the open without protection. What am I going to do? Huh?
Now!
You'll have to do better than that, princesses. Right, we're going to have to think outside the box.
Have you got any ideas?
Hang on. The snow globe. That's it. Oh, Malice!
Pa, you think you can stop me with a bubble? Time to put this thing into overdrive.
Huh? The perfect snowy scene. A snowman, an igloo, and of course, a giant snow globe.
This was a great idea, Squig. I feel quite at peace. Grape? Floor grape. My fourth favourite kind of grape. Ooh, another one. There's loads of them. Grapes, grapes, grapes. So tasty, so sweet. I love grapes, they're my favourite thing to eat. Nom nom nom. Nom 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 nom. Nom 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 nom. Nom nom nom. Ooh. Ooh.
That's weird, right?
More tea, Olivia. Esme,
Nom nom nom.
where is she going?
Grapes, of course. Flower? Something isn't right here.
I can't see where the trail goes.
We should follow her. Come on.
But guys, the picnic. Fine. You tried to do something nice, make things a little all'aperto.
Nom nom nom. Huh? Wait. Bread. Aha!
We've been at this for hours. Will this trail ever end? She's right, Olivia. We have no idea how much further this goes.
Come on, princesses. Esme's our friend. What if the trail leads somewhere dangerous? We need to make sure she's okay. All right, then. Huh? Who is responsible for all this?
Look!
A bake-off?
Malice's Princess Pie spell? But what does it mean?
Esme, we've come to save you. Malice is going to turn you into a
Pie?
But, what?
Oh, you guys. Malice wasn't going to turn me into a pie. She wanted me to try a pie. I'm going to enter the Great Susan Bake-Off. I wanted Esme's opinion on whether my pie was good enough.
Wow, Malice, this whole time we thought you were up to your old tricks, but really you just wanted some advice. We misjudged you, Malice. Sorry.
Yeah, Malice, we're really sorry. Sorry, Malice.
Nyeh. So, what kind of pie is this then, Malice? Bats.
Huh? This is going to be the most powerful one yet. I can't wait to show the princesses.
Ooh, it must be a crystal ball. I've been needing a new one for ages. But how do I get my hands on it?
Oh, it's time for yoga. Esme's late again.
Sorry I'm late, Isabella. Needed to make sure I had my grape smoothie.
Esme, you're getting mud everywhere. Felix, Esme's here again. Thanks, Felix.
Ooh, is that what I think it is?
Wait until the other princesses are here.
Aw, okay.
Come on, let's get our yoga on.
I've got to get that crystal ball.
Start by taking a deep breath, then slowly exhale, feeling all negative energy leave your body. Now, slowly transition into downward facing surprise egg. Now spread your arms wide and flap them like wings. You are soaring above the clouds. Now soar back down to the ground and imagine you are at a beach with crashing waves.
Wow, I can really hear the waves.
You are now sailing on the water. Bend your knees and feel the water move beneath your feet. Now, because you're a star, do some star jumps.
Whew, it's getting hot in here doing all these star jumps.
Yeah, you're right. I'll turn on the fan.
Uh-oh.
And finally, take a deep breath and open your eyes. This has been Yoga with Dave.
Oh, they're here.
It's mine! It's finally mine! The crystal ball is mine!
Crystal ball?
Huh? Wow, it's incredible!
That has to be the strongest bath bomb yet.
Bath bomb? You sure know how to throw a party, Isabella. What a fight! There, that should do it. Ready, Timothy? Good evening, residents of Kiddyzuzaa. I'm Malice, the most powerful witch around. But of course you all know that already.
Wait, Esme, what's this?
Quite frankly, it's boring. I have decided to change this awful green forest to a more appropriate colour. Purple! Behold the Purplifier 3000! Well, that's not too bad. Oh, and also, by turning the forest purple, the trees will all rot.
Come on, princesses. We have to stop her.
Oh, and also, I've built a giant and beautiful maze around my tower, so no one can foil my genius plan. Let's see. Turn the forest purple, all the trees rotten, giant autumn maze. Yep, that's it. Okay, game plan. Liliana, keep an eye out for trouble. Have you got your slime launcher? Isabella, have you got your magic direction-seeking mirror? And Esme, have you got your... Okay, break. Mwahaha! Everything is going to plan. Mwahaha! You have arrived at the first challenge. Answer this question if you wish to pass. Raisins, currants and sultanas are all dried forms of which fruit? Got any idea, Liliana?
I don't know. Oh no, what are we going to do?
That's easy. Grapes! Ooh!
Wait, Esme, it could be a trap.
Mwahaha! Silly princesses! Whoops! Don't worry, princesses. I've got this.
Great thinking with that flame spell, Olivia.
Yeah, flame spell. Mwahaha! Time for round 2. What colour do you get when you mix these two potions?
Oh, I know this. It's... Wait, this is Malice we're talking about. Purple?
Fine. Go ahead, princesses. I wonder which way we should go.
This way.
Mwahaha! You have reached the final and most difficult challenge. Get through this door. Wait, that's it? Well, the door is really hard to get through, okay? Okay, game plan. One day that's going to work. Anyway, how are we going to get through?
Don't worry, I've got this. Pin, do your thing.
Aha! Kiddyzuzaa land is saved. Esme, there's just the light switch. And now for the main event. Princesses! So all I'm saying is, I ran a marathon in my dream last night, and this morning I'm feeling exhausted. It doesn't work like that, Esme. Oh no, Malice. Well, that was weird. Yeah, what's up with Malice? Oh, I was talking about that dog riding a hot air balloon. But yeah, Malice didn't seem herself. Normally, she'd at least manage an insult. Prince Sissy, goody no-shoes. Esme, what are you looking at? Sorry, just remembering Malice's insults.
Hey guys, what's up with Malice?
Hey, Liliana, we were just wondering the same thing.
Yeah, I thought she was going to knock my ice cream out my hand, but it's still here.
She's being so unmalicey. Normally, she'd never miss an opportunity to prank us, but recently, it's like she doesn't care.
I noticed that too.
Seriously, guys, what are you looking at? Nothing. It just helps when you're remembering things.
Scientifically proven. Try it. there's definitely something wrong with Malice.
Amazing! Maybe I'll finally be able to do, well, anything without her ruining it. We can't just ignore it if something's wrong with her. Yeah, I suppose you're right.
Someone should go speak to her to find out what's wrong.
Great idea. Not me, though.
Yeah, me neither.
Well, I'm definitely not doing it. So, what's wrong then, Malice? Right, now what's wrong is that you're in my tower. Come on, Malice, what's up? You're not being yourself. I know. I've retired. Retired? Why? Because I suck at being evil, Esme. That's why. Malice, you're not bad at being evil. You're brilliant at it. I'm not. You are. Look at all the evil stuff in this room. See? A witch's broomstick. Only a truly evil witch could fly one of these bad boys. I used that to sweep up. Aha! A cauldron. There's even something terrible brewing in there now. What's this then? A potion to give whomever drinks it feathers or dooms them to eternally smell like a foot? That's my dinner. Ah, then I take it back. You are bad at being evil. See, now get out. I'm going to do whatever it is people do once they've retired. Knit or play golf or do some gardening. Gardening, eh? I hear the palace is looking for a new gardener. I'll put in a good word for you. Okay, so Malice should be here any moment. We all know the plan, right? Yes, she thinks she's coming round to do some gardening. Then we're going to loudly laugh about how bad she's at being evil. But you never told us what happens next.
Yeah, Esme.
No time for that. Here she comes. Just follow my lead. Yeah, Malice is so bad at being evil. Would you believe she's got a broomstick, but she can't ride it?
Ha! What kind of witch can't ride a broomstick?
Yeah, and I heard she still sleeps with a teddy. I suck at being evil, eh? Well, how's this for evil? Malice is back, princesses!
Well, at least she's feeling herself again. She's got better at magic as well.
Actually, her spell missed.
But the fountain.
That was me. I put my foot on the hose so it'd explode with a giant rush of chocolate when I let go.
So what happened to Malice's spell then?
I have no idea.